I nehua te tohunga Tito Waiata, Tommy Taurima i te rānei, i tōna pō takapau i nā pō, ka rere ngā waiata, ka rere ngā mihi. Hei aha, hei kora wai mōna i āia ka rere atu nei ki te tatau o te whare opou te rerangi. I reira tā tātou kai kawe kōrero a Hania Douglas, nō reira kia tahuri ake tātou ki tāna pūrongo.
Kia kotahi atu waiata, ki te tangata nāna rātau I whakatangata.
He's a great man, the talent that he has, you know, the way he can get the young people to sing in their parts, to dance, to act, and the experience that the kids gain from his expertise is quite amazing.
Hei tā tēnei hunga, ko te tangata nei a Tommy Taurima he kōtuku rerenga tahi.
Been problem children, you know, the parents are like, oh, come on, I'm going to take you up to Uncle Tommy, he'll soon straighten you out, boy. And when they get there, it's a bit of a challenge getting used to him. But, you know, once he teaches them and then they start learning, then they start appreciating it and start feeling better. But, you know, it gives them confidence.
He was just so giving of his talent and his skill, and you know, he had this amazing vision in his head that he wanted, you know, us to sort of whakatinana, and if we didn't get it right, you know, he'd let us know.
He toko I tino iho tēnei o te hunga I a kona e Taurima ki te whakangahau I te ao, ki Europi, ki Amerika me ngā mautere o te moananui a Kiwa, I mōhio ai rātau ki ngā toronga o te ao.
Thank you for your talents, for sharing them with the world and all the kids, especially in Hawaii, big influence in the Pacific, and love the man to death, and so grateful for the talents that he's shared with us and being able to help enrich our lives.
Thank him for the most amazing experience. And you know, I was just a little Māori girl from Masterton, and so I felt really grateful to be part of his life and to have this amazing experience with him. So,
Ahakoa kua moe te hautupua nei, kua ana hua ka mautonu. Hania Douglas, Te Karere.